Just got my new Garvee Timber Claw 28-inch. This thing right here, grabbing logs. Excited to check this thing out. Move some wood around. Thing's sweet, comes fully assembled with the clevis. So you hook the chain in right there. Super heavy duty. Locking nuts on those big bolts. Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. Let me show you what we got going today. Trying to get this log out down the super steep hill. No way to get the mini skid down there. So I got these Garvee 28-inch timber claws hooked up to the front bucket here. It's kind of a cool attachment. I'll show you what I'm going to do, or well, let me show you what I have. Is I just have a bolt-on receiver hitch. Got that on Amazon, and I run a chain through the end of it, through that pin. That seems to hold pretty good. And then I have that chain to my Garvee 28-inch timber claws. I'm going to disconnect those right now. Hook them into that log down there. See if we could drag it all the way up. Wow, that was too easy. Let me show you how to pick up this log. Let me do one more thing here. Let me just show you. If you're disconnected, how easy it is to grab that log. I'm disconnected, just open it up, drop it down. For skidding logs like this, man, it doesn't get any easier than this. Again, all right, again, this is a Garvee 28-inch timber tong. This thing is perfect for skidding logs out. This case scenario right here, up a steep hill is perfect for it. If you don't have a grapple, this is a great, inexpensive way to get a grapple on your mini skid steer or your skid steer for moving logs around. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. This channel is all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. Thank you.